Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video, I have a brand spanking new wig for you guys. This unit is from Sensationnel, and Sensationnel is always popping with the wigs. They added another wig to their Sensational textured lace wigs. This one is called True Diva, and when I saw this wig, I was like, yo, this wig literally looks just like my hair when I blow it out and do a little swoop bang. Like this right here, every black girl in the history of black women has had this hairstyle. Don't try to lie. Like, I know you've had it. You probably rocking it right now. When you get your next blowout, your hair gonna look just like this. Come on, sis. You already know what time it is. So I've been contemplating bleaching my hair and coloring it chocolate brown. So I decided to get the color 2T30 to see how I look with a chocolate brown bob. Like, yes. And if it's a go, it's about to be a go. All right, you guys, before we get into this unit, make sure you hit that subscribe button. You guys have been on fire lately, subscribing to this channel, sharing my videos, and I just want to let you know you're the real MVP. You are the one. Give yourself a clap, a hand clap. Give yourself a pat on the back. Like, you it, sis. You it. And I am here to tell you, I see you, I appreciate it, and keep doing what you're doing, because we are on a road to 50K and we are really getting close, and I can't wait. So make sure you hit that subscribe. Make sure you like this video and give me a thumbs up, because when you give me a thumbs up, it lets YouTube know that the kid is over here with this little channel doing her thing. So let's go ahead and jump right into this tutorial. So this is pretty much a typical cap construction looks like for the textured lace wig collection from Sensationnel. We have two combs right near the parting space. We have a curved part. We have the lace is a little gray, so I'm definitely going to spray that, but it's actually not too bad. We do have a comb in the back and two adjustable straps and the usual mesh cap that has a nice amount of stretch. I love the curl to the wig. It's really cute. Might have to straighten it a little bit, because you know you want it bumped but you don't want it curled. So we'll definitely see how it falls. And yeah, so you guys, I totally forgot that my braid pattern does have my baby hairs and my edges already out. So I guess we'll just go ahead and use these. These are not blow dried or flat ironed or anything, so they're just stretched. So yeah, we'll just go ahead and use it since it's already out. So I didn't spray anything on here or do anything to blend. So let's see what happens. Okay, the fit is perfect behind my hairline. It fits really nicely. And I have an average sized head. I don't have a larger sized head. I have an average sized head. So let's make sure my edges are out. Now that lace is definitely light, and you can definitely see it. Even with my edges out, you can absolutely see the edge of this wig. But if we brush it forward and put the comb in, I think we'll probably be all right. I'm gonna put this comb in. So let's see if she's given what the stock card was showing us. What do we think? She giving what the stock card was showing us? I think she is. I think she is. I think the stock card was giving us a little more flip than she's giving. But she's definitely cute. Definitely cute. I think I'm gonna blow her, and I'm going to add some black shadow here. And then I'm going to add some foundation. don't want a foundation that dark. I was about to get my darkest foundation. I don't think I want the darkest. I think I want the second darkest foundation that I use. Because I find when you use the foundation that's perfect for your skin tone, it doesn't always work out. Okay, so looks like we're good. We could lay our baby hairs, but I don't know. I don't know if she needs baby hairs. I think she's super cute and she's really effortless. Like, she's really a throw on and go. I would say you need to blow out the top, but I really actually don't think you need to because you know, with this texture of hair, you would expect some volume. So let me turn around so you can see her from all sides. So she's definitely cute. Let's see, not behind the ear. Let's see her in front of the ear. So she's cute. She's not giving me exactly what the stock card was, but she's definitely cute. Definitely cute. What you guys think? Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Let me know if True Diva is going to be one that you are going to grab. Let me know if True Diva is one that you are going to grab. When you saw her, did you feel like it was taking you back to like the way you wear your hair? Would you lay your baby hairs down with this wig? I don't know. I'm on the fence. Anywho, I definitely like her. So is she Dragoness approved? I would definitely say she is, especially for the coin. She's a great one to have in your arsenal. She's definitely a throw on and go. So let me know your thoughts about True Diva. If you want to check her out, I did grab this one from Elevate Styles. This video is brought to you by my own coinage, okay? This is not sponsored. And yeah, if you want to support a great cause, this sweatshirt that I'm wearing is to support lymphoma. So if you want to support a great cause, I will leave a donation link down below where you can donate to the Spider Strong Foundation, and you can learn more about it. It's a great foundation that does bring awareness to lymphoma and also donates funds to help support the research for lymphoma cancer. So if you want to support, definitely click the link down below and donate. And if you want to support this channel, you can also head over to GLEEmade.com where I make headbands, I make bonnets, head wraps, face masks, and I also sell wigs. And if you like these lashes are also available on GLEEmade. So just support everything, guys. Just support all around. Now let's go ahead and get into the subscriber shout outs. All right, you guys, so the first comment we are going to shout out is from Miss Leah S, and it's on my latest video that is about the Lulu Tress drip curl. If you guys haven't watched that video, it would behoove you to watch it before you grab that hair, just to let you know. So she says, it actually looked great both ways. I know you probably didn't like the first way, but it was gorgeous. Plus, you look gorgeous in every look you rock. Thank you so much for blessing us all with your videos, Hun Bun. You keep doing your thing, Hun Bun. Thank you so much, Leah S. I appreciate the support. And yes, I mean, I think you could wear it the first way, but I think the way that it felt, it just didn't feel good the first way as well. So I guess in some ways it was wearable that first way if you really like big hair that's very long, but the feel of the hair and the texture of the hair just didn't feel good to me that way. The hair felt a lot better when I kept the curls together. But thank you so much. I appreciate you, appreciate you, appreciate you. The next comment I want to shout out is from Tashi. I think that's how you pronounce it. Tashi Hair Goals. It is on my video that was about the multiple parting for the braidless tutorial, for the braidless crochet tutorial. I'm saving this video because I'm absolutely going to try it. Love this look. I love to hear comments like that. Yes, save the video, sis. Come back to it. Grab your hair. And then what I also want you to do is share the picture with me. Once you've done your style, definitely head over to my Instagram and share the picture with me so I can definitely give you a shout out on my Instagram and on my YouTube channel. If you're not following me on Instagram, it's at Jess Monique Thomas, and that's pretty much everywhere: Facebook, Instagram, and here on YouTube. All right, let's get into one more comment. This again is from the Lulu Tress drip curl video. Black Topaz 40, and Black Topaz says, ah girl, I had to pause the video. I screamed when you start cutting all that doggone work and it ain't acting right. Can't wait to see how you made it do what it do, baby. That's a true subscriber right there, because you even talk like me. Like, you know I'm gonna make it do what it do, baby. I want to know how long you've been subscribed to my channel, Black Topaz, because I feel like you know my heart. You even speak like me, like, yes. And you see, you watch till the end of the video. Even though I hit a roadblock, I made it do what it do, baby. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to the channel, for commenting on my videos and sharing my videos. You guys are the bomb, and I love you. Peace.